How to clear app cache without deleting data. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to delete or clear app cache without deleting data, you may follow up these steps. So you can head over to your phone settings for that. And once you open up your settings, scroll down and look out for the option called apps. And once you find apps, you may basically look out for the application that you would like to clear the cache for. So if you'd like to clear the cache for example, Chrome, tap on it, find the application, and once you find it up, once you reach over the app info section, you will be finding different options. Scroll through the options and look out for storage. After you open up storage, you will be finding option called clear cache. Tap on it, and there you go. This is how you basically clear your cache data. You may follow the same process for other application as well. Let me just show you. For example, Discord, tap on the app. After that, scroll through the options, go to storage, and from storage, just go ahead and find the clear cache option, and that's it. So therefore, you may follow up the steps if you'd like to clear app cache without deleting the data. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.